Okay, here we are. Balcony 9278. Let's see what the room is like. Here's the thermostat. Just a simple dial. And the air conditioning goes off if you've got your balcony opened. So let's take a look at the room. It's pretty spacious. Let's go in the bathroom first. And this is the shower. It looks like it's wet, but that's just part of the design of the door. So it's got little areas to put soaps or shampoos. And this right here is like an all-around body wash and shampoo, and a little hanging line up above. It's kind of small, but it's fine. And that's the toilet. Some room for towels up top. And a small sink area with trash underneath and a shelf. Some glasses. And I think these open also. So there's a little shelf space in there. Let's see the rest of the room. So here's the closet space. See if this light will give us a little more light. So they've got some hangers up here and some shelving along the side. Safety vests, so you can put your things in here. And there's room under the beds to store those suitcases. So we just didn't unpack yet, but we will be storing those under the bed just to get things out of the way. And we have a nice little surprise waiting for us. We've got some champagne, charcuterie, and strawberries. Awesome. Thank you, Nancy. Then we've got a beautiful couch. I think it pulls out to a sleeper bed if you had more people staying here. And this is two beds pushed together, and it's got the little curve to the edge so you can get around easily. Each side has a nightstand with some drawer space and some lamps, but there's no USB on the far side. The close side has one USB on this phone, I believe. Yeah, there's one USB charger down here on the phone. So let's go back. I got a little too excited about the champagne and treats and forgot all about showing you the power outlets. So let's take a look. There are two North American plugs on the right-hand side of the desk and one European outlet. It's a good idea to bring along a portable power strip so you can charge up all your devices. I'll drop a link to one that I recommend down in the description below. And another thing to mention is the room service menus. You can call for room service throughout the day, but if you want to order breakfast, fill out this form before 3 a.m. and leave it out on your door. You can get a continental breakfast at no charge, and you can also order a regular hot breakfast for a $7.95 fee. You can order multiple items. And then let's check out the balcony in lovely San Pedro. It's a beautiful day. And that's the Vincent Thomas Bridge. That's the gangway. And here's the seating. It's a nice sized table, two big chairs, and they can also go down a little more so that you can lean back. And this is the balcony room on the Navigator.